Hello everyone, my name is Manmeet Kaur from the Gurukul School, Rania. In this video, we will gonna discuss about method of classification. Yes, students, it is a part second of organization of data classification. Okay, classification I told you earlier in the previous video that means arranging the data according to its nature, means heterogeneous data into homogeneous data. Example given you: journal category, OBC category, scheduled caste and scheduled tribe category. Okay, so we will going to discuss about method of classification. Geographical classification, which we classify the data or arranges the data into geographical region. From example written over here: number of school in Punjab, Batinda, Barnala, Ludhiana, Chandigarh, and number of students in these schools. Example given. Okay, number of schools means, or number of students, you can also write number of schools also. Okay, write schools. I think by mistake I write student here. Okay, next, chronological classification. Chronological means numbering. Okay, by when classification made according to time period. Yes, and time period may be minutes, hour, days, week, months, year. Example, in an organization, 3 types of products. Okay, and we considered them according to, or we check their progress, or how much we produce. Comparison we are going to make, like in January, 5,000, 6,000, this much product we produce. Example, 3 products, I write 1, I write 2, 3. These 3 products we purchase uh, in 4 months. Third product we purchase in January, this much, this much, this much. Okay, we are doing comparison according to time period. That is known as chronological classification. In geographical classification, we arrange data according to geographical region. Third method is conditional classification. As per situation, we will use this classification. Example, as per requirement, we use this method. Teacher have all the data related to roll number, name, age, weight, rank of student. If we want to classify according to age, the classification may be how much student less than 19, 7, how much equal to 20, 22, this much. Okay, age class, age we define here, or number of students we can write here. Okay, quantitative or numerical. Statistics based on number, I told you this in first chapter. Okay, data must be arranged and value given to them. Example, marks, how much student got marks in between 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 12 student got marks, 50 to 68. Okay, we when we have to classify data according to number, then we consider this thing. Okay, last one is qualitative. Quantitative means when we express the data in numbers. Qualitative, we have to check or arrange the data according to its qualities. Example, low, medium, high, very high, normal citizen, senior citizen, male, female. Example, person, male, female. How much literate? Literate means educated, illiterate means uneducated. So this is the topic, method of classification. Last thing we will gonna discuss, I will teach you about variables. What is variable? Here it is. Variable, what is written here? Anything is said to be variable if it possible in measure such thing in units. Yes, units. Example, kilogram, fraction, whole number, these are called units. Discrete variable and continuous variable, 2 methods are written over here of it. So shall we start? Okay, so students, variable means which we can measure in unit. Example written here: bus, car, taxis, wheat, kilogram. But there are 2 types of variable: discrete variables and continuous variable. Discrete variable which we express in whole number, continuous which we express in whole number or fraction. Yes, it gives us clarity of data. it may not be clear because we are measuring whole numbers. In this fractions are there, sometimes leads to confusion. For example, number of car, buses, taxis. Okay, example, cars, 5,000 cars are there. Buses, 2 lakh are there. Taxis, 300 are there. Example, weight, we measure weight in kilogram, height in centimeter, etc. Hope you understand this topic. Students, if you feel any difficulty, please text me. Thanks everyone.